Alright guys, we are back with probably the biggest episode ever in Maxim Outdoor history. We have officially hit 1,000 subscribers. That's right. It only took me a little over a year to hit that big YouTube milestone, but we've officially done it, and I can't thank you guys more than enough. I couldn't have done this without you. You guys all went out there and hit that little red subscribe button, and here we are, celebrating 1,000 subscribers. And I figured I would make this little impromptu video, a little beer break. We're drinking the Muchos Mojalos this week from one of my favorite breweries in the Pittsburgh area, Brew Gentlemen. So check them out if you haven't already. But yeah, cheers, 1,000 subscribers, drinking one of my favorite beers of the year. So let's get right to it. 1,000 subscribers. I can't emphasize how big of a deal it is to me to make it to this this milestone. I tried YouTube in the past, didn't make it this far, and to make it to 1,000 subscribers on my second time around, it's really awesome. I'm beyond ecstatic. So thanks again to everybody. This episode I'm going to be doing my biggest giveaway ever on Maxim Outdoors, and it's simple. I'm not going to make you wait until the end of the video for a keyword or anything. We're just going to get it over with now. Simple as this. Subscribe to the channel and comment 1,000. I don't care if you comment the word or the number. Just put 1,000 down in the comments, and you're going to be entered into a little raffle, drawing, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to put your name into a hat and pick out a couple names. Winners will get shirts, hats, stickers, koozies, you name it. So very simple. Just write 1,000 in the comments below, and you will be entered to win a multitude of things. So that's my way of saying thanks to everyone out there for supporting this channel for over a year now. Pretty crazy. And I did want to give some shout outs to some of the diehards out there that it seems like they either comment, like, or just, you know, do something on a weekly basis to help out this channel. Just want to say thanks to all these people, as well as the people that I'm not mentioning, but I do have quite a list here. If you want to skip through this, go ahead. This might take a minute or two. I got about 20 names on here that I want to just go through and say thank you. These are the main people that keep this channel going and make this fun for me to do. So here's a few. A couple of YouTubers to start off the list. Dave's Epic Drone Shots, check him out. Thank you for leaving so many comments, likes, you name it. And Wandering Out Yonder, another great YouTube station channel that you should all check out, local to Pennsylvania. And some names here: Terry DiBiase, Todd Strelko, Max D, Dennis Philhart, C4 Explorer, Brandon Soretti, Sally and Michael, Pause Travel, Susan Cipher, Edward Mong, Bobby, Chase and Carly, thanks for making the koozies for me, much appreciated. Melissa, Eva, Stephen Wright, S&J, Hike All Day, big Instagram supporters right there. WV Bush, another really good photographer from like the Ohio POW area. T-Rex, Mary Joy, Johnny Campbell, and of course my two biggest supporters out there, Emma and Ayla. Thanks to you guys for supporting me each and every week. And my number one supporter, Sam. Couldn't do this without you. I appreciate it. You let me go out in the middle of nowhere, get chased around by bears and rattlesnakes. So thanks to everybody out there. If I missed you, I'm sorry. But yeah, 1,000 subscribers. I couldn't have done this without each and every one of you. So appreciate it. So let's talk a little bit about future videos coming up starting next week. So this is the transition between a lot of Western Pennsylvania adventures moving forward to Eastern Pennsylvania adventures. So there, I kind of spoiled it for you. So I was sitting on the couch a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago, and if you follow the channel, you know I'm doing my state park project where I want to visit and video each and every state park within the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. And so far, I'm at 13 out of 121. Not that great, but we're getting there. So anyway, I decided if I was gonna take this project a little bit more seriously, I was gonna have to do some traveling. So I wanted to see what the furthest state park from my home in Western Pennsylvania was. And it turned out that it was a state park in the Poconos named the Promised Land. So I booked a couple nights there in Promised Land State Park and headed out there a couple weeks ago. Filmed, edited, everything. These videos are awesome. You guys are gonna love them. They officially start next week. So the next 10 weeks are gonna be focused all around Eastern Pennsylvania and the Poconos. So hopefully you guys enjoy them. I certainly did. But yeah, they start next week and they'll be going for about 10 weeks. And then I'll see you guys on the couch again here for another beer break. But some other videos that are gonna be coming up here in the near future, me and Sam are gonna be doing a little bow fishing up in Moraine State Park within the next couple weeks. Haven't done it yet. I'm excited. Sam's excited. We're going to be targeting some invasive Asian carp. We're going to be doing a little dog camping video. If maybe you want to take your dogs out, need some ideas for taking dogs out camping, we're going to make a little fun video on that. And we're going to be visiting another cool city here that I'm going to be doing my a day in videos if you enjoy those. So some future plans that kind of outline the future of Maxim Outdoors. And you know, we are at 1,000 subscribers right now. I feel like I'm just getting started. I feel like I'm just getting the ball rolling. Not only has my YouTube been taking off, but my social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram have really been blowing up as well. My Instagram, if you want to see some sneak peeks, some pictures, some memes, some funny stuff, make sure you go there, Maxim_outdoors, to see that. It's getting just as big as the YouTube at this point. And then if you want to add me as a friend on Facebook, my name on there is simply Maxim Outdoors. And same as Instagram, you will see some sneak peeks and some cool footage behind the scenes, and even find out where I am like a week or two ahead of time. So check out the Instagram and Facebook. So yeah, as I said, the channel is getting bigger. I do have future plans on doing some reviews. I've recently have been reached out by some companies, which is cool. Always cool to get free stuff, but I've gotten some free headlamps, paddleboard, you name it. So cool that companies are reaching out to me now, and I plan on doing some future reviews. I do plan on opening a store here soon for some merchandise, stickers, like I said, the koozies and the shirts that hopefully I'll be selling here within the next couple months. I'll keep you guys posted on that. The channel right now is around 60,000 views in about a year, which, I mean, it blows my mind that 60,000 views. It's crazy. And hope to make the channel monetize here shortly. So every view counts, every like counts, just keep that in mind. If you guys could like every video, subscribe if you aren't already, and yeah, go follow me on Instagram and Facebook, add me as a friend. So yeah, it's just been a blast doing this for you guys. You guys really make this fun for me, just coming home after a long trip and reading some of the comments. You know, a lot of people say, oh, you know, I visited this park when I was a little kid, or I have to check this park out. I get a kick out of all that. It's really cool to hear from all you out there. And yeah, so that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. 1,000 subscribers. I can't say thank you enough to everybody out there. But yeah, if you are already subscribed, you can be 1,001. Yeah, I'm gonna leave a little sneak peek of some of the future iterations of Maxim Outdoors at the end of this video here. So, all right guys, that's gonna wrap it up. This is, I don't even know what number of beer break this is, but biggest and best one yet. Make sure you leave a comment down below, just write 1,000, and I'll add you to the drawing, and I'll be announcing the winners here shortly. So yeah, we did it. 1,000 subscribers, that's gonna wrap it up. I will see you next week on my way to the Poconos in my video, Road to the Promised Land. All right, guys, let's go. 2,000 subscribers. Go. True.